At Adepteq, we don't just deliver SharePoint projects, we transform how your team works, collaborates, and thrives. As proud Microsoft Solutions partners for modern work, we've successfully delivered over 1,000 SharePoint rollouts, from sleek intranets and document management systems to fully bespoke enterprise-grade digital workspaces. Whether you're looking for a smart, scalable platform for your growing business or a tailored SharePoint setup to match your unique processes, we make it happen, securely, efficiently, and with care. We're more than a delivery partner. We're your education and digital transformation partner too. Our team ensures your users aren't just trained. They're confident, productive, and empowered to get the most from SharePoint. You launched your shiny new SharePoint site 6 months ago. It worked great until it didn't. Now your homepage throws errors, permissions are all over the place, and Karen from finance somehow deleted an entire library. And your internal IT team? They're already drowning in printer issues. What if SharePoint just worked? What if bugs got fixed, users got help, and your platform grew with your business? That's SharePoint Support, done by the people who built it right in the first place. We don't do ticket black holes. We provide proactive SharePoint support, bug fixes, user issues, workflow repairs, new feature requests, integration support, admin help, Microsoft 365 guidance. SharePoint isn't a set and forget tool. It evolves with your business. New employees join. New processes emerge. Without support, it falls apart. With Adepteq, SharePoint grows with you. Flexible, reliable, and always ready for what's next. Want to get the most out of SharePoint? Add our SharePoint awareness session. Your team will learn best practices, tips, and tricks to confidently navigate and manage SharePoint every day. We're Microsoft certified experts who speak fluent SharePoint and human. We've got decades of experience and zero interest in locking you into support you don't need. Call us during business hours when you need it.
What kinds of issues can you support us with?
Everything from fixing bugs and broken pages to managing permissions, workflow issues, or deploying updates. We also guide you on new features.
Do we need a support contract?
We offer both ad hoc support and monthly packages, depending on how complex your system is and how often you need expert help.
Can you support SharePoint online and on-prem?
Yes, including hybrid setups.
How do we raise a ticket or get in touch?
Through our portal, email, or phone. You'll get tracked responses from real experts. Don't let SharePoint become a liability. Keep it running, keep your team working. Talk to Adepteq today to attend your free SharePoint awareness session.